The wine nobody buys, but that makes restaurants more money. In some restaurants, there's a ridiculously expensive bottle of wine. A bottle so expensive it almost looks like a mistake on the menu. And the strangest part, it's not there to be sold. You're sitting in a restaurant. The waiter just placed a wine list on the table. You open it out of curiosity. You start scanning the list. The first bottles look normal. $25, $40, $60, reasonable prices. Exactly what you expect to see, but you keep going down the list. And then something strange appears. One bottle, $350. You stop. You look at the number again, $350. You glance up and laugh a little. Who would buy that? No one eating here, you think. It looks ridiculous. It looks exaggerated. Almost like someone accidentally typed the wrong price. But it's not a mistake. And that small detail changes everything. You close the menu for a moment. You talk with the person sitting across from you. You both have to decide which wine to order. You open the menu again. And then something interesting starts happening in your head. Earlier, when you first looked at the list, the $60 bottle felt expensive. Maybe too expensive. Maybe unnecessary. But now, after seeing that absurd $350 bottle, something changed. $60 doesn't feel that expensive anymore. In fact, it starts to feel reasonable. A been lucky go. Compared to $350, $60 feels like a smart choice. And without realizing it, your brain just did something automatic. It reorganized the entire price scale. What felt expensive a few minutes ago now feels completely normal. But the most interesting part, this isn't random. Thousands of restaurants around the world use this exact trick. They include one extremely expensive bottle. A bottle almost no one orders. A bottle that rarely gets sold. But something important happens because it's there. It's not meant to sell. It's meant to change how you see everything else. Because the moment that extreme price appears, every other price shifts in your mind. The customer believes they're making a rational decision. They think they're calmly comparing options. They think they're evaluating price and value. But in reality, their brain has already been influenced. And it all started the moment they saw that ridiculously expensive bottle, because that $350 bottle is not on the menu to be sold. It's there for something much more powerful. It's there to push every other decision. It makes $60 feel reasonable. It makes $40 feel cheap. It makes $25 feel like a bargain. And when that happens, customers end up spending more money without feeling like they did. Price anchoring, an extreme price redefines what normal feels like. Relative comparison. The human brain doesn't decide in absolute numbers. It decides by contrast, and sometimes all it takes to sell more is a bottle of wine that nobody plans to buy. This is the business model that uses perception to anchor the price. Follow us and smash that like button.